guys, we're still in Caribou, but we finally got our wish. It's a beautiful, gorgeous, sunny day. 9:30 in the morning, we checked out of our little cabin there. It was sad to say goodbye because it's so freaking beautiful. We're like, you know what, let's stop at Blue Springs Provincial Park. We came here yesterday, but it was like really gloomy. So now today it's super sunny, so we're gonna sit here for probably a couple hours, whatever, shower in the lake like we did yesterday. It'll be a lot warmer today though, and then throw up the drone because right over here is a group of islands in this beautiful bay, and yeah, I'm excited to capture that. We're just gonna sit, absorb some of this beautiful sun. It's 13 degrees, which is pretty damn cold. It was 11 degrees last night here, and we looked at the temperature in Vernon. It was 27. We're like, oh my lord, you're in the Caribou, but it's warm nonetheless. All right, getting it started. 10 in the morning. Yeah, Granville Island Logger. Venus is driving, don't worry. DD, drunk driver. Woo!